In this video, we're going to discuss the application cup and the use of the extension hose. So your HydroGenie, when it arrives, will have both an extension hose and an application cup. These are useful for when you want to apply the HydroGenie gas to an area where you may be having some discomfort or pain for some help in that. So what you do is you would connect the extension hose to the gas output, and you put the extension hose, the other end, connect that to the application cup. You can then start the HydroGenie, and gas will begin flowing out of this. So it takes a few seconds for it to make it through the pipe, the tubing, but it will eventually get there. So what you can do is you can place this right on the area that's experiencing the pain or having some discomfort. Swelling, inflammation, molecular hydrogen gas in studies that you can find on the internet has been shown to be very anti-inflammatory. So once you've placed it, you can just sit there and do something, read a book or whatever you'd like. We've found it useful to either tie a scarf around here or a belt if you need to hold it. It can go against clothing and it will be just as effective. What we do know is that hydrogen is a very light gas and likes to rise. So what we recommend doing is, once you've placed it on the area where you think the pain is, go on the other side of that area and let the gas flow up through your body, okay? So it's going to go through everything. It goes through bone, it goes through skin, it goes through tissue, like muscle tissue, ligaments, tendons. It flows into all those areas. There's really nothing that can really stop the hydrogen from flowing through your body. So what we have found useful is about 10 minutes. 10 minutes where it's painful, and then 10 minutes again underneath. So if you have a joint where you're having some pain, you can either use this application cup, or we can use a baggie, and I'll show you how to do that in the next video. But this is very useful for areas that are hard to get to. If you have elbow pain, you can place it on your elbow. If you have back pain, you can actually place this against your back. This will bend. It's perfectly fine to have it bend flat like that and placed up against your back. And then you can lean back against a cushion and the gas will continue to flow straight out through there. You won't be able to block it. This is a silicone application cup, very flexible and very easily washable too if you want.